Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're looking at the best and worst car hacks on TikTok. Also, side note, if you're subscribed, I really appreciate you and I love you. If you're not, not that pumped on you. All right, let's get going.
I wanted to try this on my Honda Civic. Why didn't I think of this?
What? But okay, why, when and why are you just chilling in your car? Besides maybe for a drive-in movie. But like otherwise. Me to my boyfriend's Honda Civic with those freaking eyes and face. I can't handle it. It's not comfy to sleep it. Don't be homeless. Did you know? I don't think this is real, because those caps are just there to, like, so it covers the bolts. I don't think you're really supposed to do that. These are so annoying. Come on, lady, just get to your car and try it. That's not really, I don't think that's really the point.
Okay, you know when you have nowhere to put your phone in the car? Grab a rubber band and stick it through the air vent. Pull the other side and attach your phone. This is genius. Share with a friend.
Just buy a phone holder. They're like $2.
That ain't gonna stay. Lady, look at her face. Look, she even knows this is bull. Look at her face right now. It's just like, I'm trying really hard to get followers, but I know this is bull. Just watch it and like, please. Car hack from Target. Jesus Christ, how do you, okay, I just need to know, how do you function with those nails, ladies? I like,
Easy.
I'm not judging, I'm just like, how do you get anything done? Please, enlighten me, I need to know. What's the point of this? What's going on here? What is that? What was that? What's the point of this whole thing? What am I missing?
Car hack. Don't use these.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. JDM people know the best air fresheners in the game. If you're like not into like JDM and tuner cars, find a friend that is, and they will lead you to the way of the best air fresheners. The Japanese are just on fire with air fresheners.
Aussie squash in my cars.
Yeah, the black squash.
Yeah, it's the best one.
They don't look at, they never clip on vents. The good ones never clip on vents or do anything like that. They either go inside your cup holder or they're like a brick and they go under your seat and like they last way longer. They're way better. Just trust me. Car cleaning hack.
On his tires and look.
What's he putting on there?
I don't know why I'm spraying more, but child, it works. Like, look at this nasty. And besides the little.
This guy goes, I've been waiting to see what it looks like, and this guy goes, the scratches on the rims, man's hits every curb. Why are you even cleaning those wheels? What a waste of time. Just get new wheels at this point.
Did you know your sun visor can do this? Now, extend it out. Sun won't hit you anymore.
Who doesn't know that?
Push it back in.
Please.
Close it up.
Guys, comment below if you didn't know that. I'm not gonna make fun of you. I honestly want to know who doesn't know that you can like pull them out further. The fancy boy ones have like another little one that comes out it. I'm just saying, how do you not know that?
TikTok car hack 101.
Oh gosh. Oh no, I don't like where this is going. No! This is so ghetto, you guys. Sharpieing your emblem?
Yeet!
Is this really the end goal here?
TikTok car hack 101.
All right,
Okay,
life hacks
so
from Victoria.
I just learned a life hack. You could take your freaking head thing off, okay? Now watch.
I don't have patience for this. What's going on?
Oh, into a freaking bed. Okay?
I love how everyone's figuring this out and putting it on TikTok. God dang it.
This is how you open your car if you ever lose your car keys.
Stop.
Alright, so we got some bubble gum stuck in there. Yep.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna grab my iPhone cable, but you need a cable with a very thin end.
Okay.
Like watch this.
Okay.
And you can see it's locked, yeah?
Alright, yeah.
So like what I'm doing is I'm jamming this right in. Yep, it's locked. Two big batteries, and you wanna make sure they're on opposite ends. So grab a rubber band.
Okay.
Brilliant.
Does anyone actually buy these hacks?
This actually works. My parents showed it to me one time we were on holidays. We lost our keys. So what I'm gonna do now.
Okay, wait, hold up. I got another question too. Who the f has gum, this wire, and those two batteries just in their pockets? Because if you're locked out of your car, then they'd probably be in your car. If you happen to have these weird ass items, and then second of all, who just has them in their pockets ready to like open their door at any moment? Even if it does work. And duct tape. I don't carry duct tape around. You carry duct tape around in your pocket? I don't.
Okay. Does this actually work?
This works. This.
Wait, and he never shows it unlocked. I am not impressed. Car hack TikTok.
Whatever, and then I put the car in park, and I put the handbrake on. Is that not what you're meant?
No, it's really not what you're supposed to do. And let me explain why. So the easiest way I can explain it is when you put your car in park, and that's it, and then put the handbrake on, the entire weight of the car is resting on the park brake rather than the handbrake, which means it's resting on the gearbox.
Okay, I'm gonna stop you right there. I mean, he has a point, but if you stop and your foot is still on the brake, you put it in park, pull the handbrake up, you don't have that roll back or roll forward where it's resting on the gear. Also, it doesn't really f your gearbox up. Like, we park the race cars in gear all the time. We don't even have locking handbrakes. Honestly, everybody's wrong at this.
Actually supposed to do.
Let's see. What do you got, buddy? Shift to neutral, handbrake.
That way the weight of the car is resting on the
Okay, but then yes, when your handbrake fails, which your handbrake is way more prone to fail than it suddenly coming out of park, your handbrake though could let out, and then the car's rolling because it's in neutral. You need to do both.
As you can tell, my car is super dirty.
Add some Elmer's glue to your cup holder.
Now add some Tide.
And Tide? See, this is a different mixture. Oh, well, that doesn't look very good.
It should look like this.
Wait, hold on. Did you guys see how it just like flash frames and it was a completely different substance? Look at this. No, I don't think so.
This is for all my air ride people. I have a little hack that
All right, I'm ready.
It's a quick disconnect, and you want to hook it up to the tank. Once you got the fitting on the tank, put the hose in. Also connect the tire air filler or gauge thingy. Now, if you ever have a flat on your tire, you can always go back to your compressor, just fill it up with air.
That's actually a sick idea. The Z and the Lambo are both bagged, and I could just put a quick disconnect on them.
God dang it, that's a pretty good idea, dude.
All right, that was some of the best and a lot of the worst car hacks. Do you guys buy into any of these? I don't feel like there's maybe one that I was like, all right, that's pretty good. A lot of these are just terrible. I think this just became another try not to cringe TikTok video. Let me know if you guys enjoy this video. I know it's a little different style, but I like laughing personally, and I like cars. So if you do too, then you probably enjoyed this. Thank you guys for 80,000 subs. Let's hit 100,000 by the end of this year. I wanna do it. I wanna go into 2022. I had to check the date. Sometimes I forget the year. I wanna roll into 2022 over 100K. Let's do this. We'll see you guys in like a day. Peace.